back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this review. You guys literally blew up my social media accounts about this wig unit, so here we are today. MegaLookHair sent me over this BLEACH wig, and it is bomb. The color job is bomb. This is in 180% density and also 26 inches. So here is the inside of the wig cap. The lace is not HD lace, you guys. It is more on the thicker side, but I feel like it came all together at the end. It also has this elastic band sewn in on the inside, so I actually really like the construction of this wig. Also, it has 3 combs sewn within the frontal and also one in the back. And yeah, this construction was perfect. I really liked it. And also, it came with a few gifts. So if you guys are thinking about purchasing this wig unit, you will be getting some gifts. So let's get back into applying this wig. So this wig unit hairline is extremely dense, you guys, but I feel like if you know how to pluck your wig unit, you will be fine. It's just going to take time. I haven't plucked in a very long time. Like, I haven't received a wig with this dense of a hairline in a very long time. So it took me some time so that I can open up the hairline. I'm a person, I like my wigs to look natural and things of that such. But I know that there's people who, you know, like the fuller density hairlines as well. So anyways, also I want to let you guys know that I did not bleach the knots on this wig unit. I just used my foundation. However, I do suggest that you guys bleach the knots on it so that it can look even better, you guys. And also, what I loved about this wig unit is that the knots on this wig are extremely small. So when you guys are purchasing wig units, it's very important to make sure that you check to see if the knots are small, because it's going to look seamless and you're not going to be able to see the knots. So anyways, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and let this play out for you guys. Super simple for me to put on, just like any other wig unit. I think the main thing about this wig unit is the color. You guys loved it when I posted on my social media. And yeah, I just think that the color job is amazing on this wig unit. Like, this is like the best pre-highlighted wig unit that I have received. Like, the color job on this wig, and it's all throughout, you guys. Make sure you guys watch the video all the way through, because I show you footage of the hair from different angles and also the length as well. So just make sure you guys watch all the way through so that you guys can get the vibes with this wig. It is amazing. It's so pretty, and I'll probably keep this wig unit, you guys. Like, I know I'm able to do this color job on my own, but who wants to do all that work when you can just buy this one? You get what I mean? Like, perfect. I love it. It's so cute. And yeah. you.